If I wanted to make my first $10,000 with Digistore24, here is exactly how I would do it, all right? So just a little bit of proof right now. You can see that I made, actually this is my first million selling digital products, and Digistore24 is an affiliate network. I'm gonna show you how I did this, how I got this award in the mail as well, and I would structure it exactly the way I show you so that you can get very, very similar results. But again, you know, obviously $1 million is gonna take a bit of time. I've made almost 3 million now, but getting to your first 10K is a huge milestone, all right? So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So just before I show you Digistore24 and how it works, you can skip this entire video if you want, and you can access my free masterclass where I show this to you in detail, the full strategy. You can access that anytime in the comment section. Just wanted you to know that, okay? So you would come to digistore24.com. This is actually a German affiliate network, and it's a pretty cool network. You know, they've got a lot of products here. They've got a lot of affiliates. All you would do to get started is just click here, get started, and they're available in hundreds and hundreds of countries around the world, okay? Now, once you log in and get started, all you need to do is come to affiliate partners and come to marketplace, right? And it all comes down to the type of product that you want to sell. Now, I would probably focus on digital products. You can see right at the top here, okay? Because digital products, you can sell for a lot more commissions, and you can earn a lot more money. And the cool thing about digital products is that there are so many niches that you can sell in: food and drink, fashion, family, hotels, law and justice, online e-marketing, business, for example, right? I like online marketing and e-business, but you can sell in any niche that you want, okay? And then what I would do is I would come here and I would probably organize it by earnings per sale, because I want to see what the maximum products are and how much they cost, so that I can make the most amount of money if I want to, all right? So as an example, Millionaire Partner System might be something that you may want to promote. It's a 40% commission product, right? You can earn $820 per sale, net earnings per sale. That is pretty darn good. That means you make one sale and you'll make $820, okay? So all I need to do right now is copy my promo link, all right? And now it's copied, and if I was to paste it in my browser, Control V, this is my exact link for my affiliate link for this particular program. That means if somebody clicks on this link, they come here, they opt in, they go through Glenn's whole training, right? And he is, you know, he's made, I think this is $10 million equivalent with ClickFunnels, right? Then you will make a sale when somebody buys through his webinar, right? For his particular affiliate program, okay? Now, if you want to find out a little bit more about the program, you can come and have a look at the sales page. You can check out the affiliate support page. I would probably do that. That's always a good idea. You want to know what you're selling. So these are all the details of the Millionaire Partner System as an example, right? And you might decide, you know, maybe this is not quite right for you, or whatever it is, okay? And even his emails here. So if you want to email him, maybe get a trial copy to see what the program looks like, you can do that. You can check him out on Facebook and that sort of thing. And that's, you know, an example of how I might look for, you know, one of the products that I want to sell. Okay, remember that you can sell anything you want. A big tip here is you always want to sell, I would say, products that make you the highest commission possible, plus they got to be good quality as well, right? You don't want to be selling crappy quality products to good people, because that's just not cool, right? We want to have high integrity. We want to sell good stuff. So make sure you always do your research on the thing that you're selling, okay? Now, this is where my strategy is very different from a lot of other people's strategies. A lot of people will say, okay, so now what you do is you've got your affiliate link right here. All you want to do is you just want to basically send a bunch of people to this affiliate page, right? So you want to send like as many leads as you can here. And usually what they'll say is, you know, go buy leads from like a solo ad vendor, right? Solo ads, okay? So, you know, there are so many solo ad vendors, like Udemy is a very popular one. And basically solo ads is when you basically go and buy email drops from other people that have built up an email list, okay? Now, the problem with this is that when you buy an email drop from somebody else, what's going to happen is they have promoted this to so many people that the quality of the email list is really, really poor, okay? So basically, the quality is super low, and when you promote to them, you're gonna get clicks, and you might even get 1 or 2 sales, but you're not gonna get a lot of sales. And if you spend $500 or $1,000 on a solo ad drop, it's very, very unlikely that you'll have positive ROI, which means that if you spend $1,000, you make a couple of sales, maybe you make $200 or whatever it is, right? You're still $800 down. And I've spent almost $30,000 on solo ads, and I can tell you that it is a big waste of time. So instead of doing that, I'm going to show you another way to do this where it's going to be way more profitable. This was a big mistake that I made early on in the early days, okay? So the next thing I would do is I would go and build out a simple sales funnel, all right? Now, the funnel builder that I use, it's the same one that Glenn uses. You can see the logo right here, right? It's actually called ClickFunnels. Now, there are a lot of funnel builders. You don't have to use ClickFunnels. I'm just showing you what I do. This is what I've used to make almost $3 million, right? But there are a lot out there. There's Lead Pages, there's Kartra, there's Kajabi. There's so many different funnel builders that you can use. Use any one, but I would build a simple funnel that looks something like this, right? So first of all, you need a landing page, something that people can land on, right? So this is an example of a landing page, right? Someone clicks on here and then they enter their email address and then they go through the process, okay? Now, what a lot of people will do is they will have a landing page, they'll collect an email address, and then they'll send people straight to the sales page. So imagine if this is the webinar or the sales page, right? You don't want to do that, because if you're just selling all the time, people aren't going to buy from you. What you want to do instead is you want to add value and you want to lead people closer to the sale. Hey, just a reminder, I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to make you money. So if that's what you're here for, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're going to add value. We're not going to teach them everything, because if you teach them everything, then they're not going to want to buy your product, right? We want to get them curious and interested, but they still feel like they're learning, but we don't want to give them the farm, right? So we want to give them the 30,000 foot view, but we don't want to give them the exact step-by-step. I hope that makes sense. What you want to do is you want to show them the wow, not the how. All right. So this is something that I learned many, many years ago. You want to show them the wow, but not the how. So they're like, wow, that makes sense. Yes, that makes sense. Yes, that makes sense. So it's getting them closer to the goal, and they are learning, but they still need whatever you're selling in order to get the full step-by-step. I hope that makes sense. Okay. So sell the wow, not the how, right? So something like this, for example, will sell the wow and not the how. So I'm going to literally show them how actually it's very easy to generate a lot of leads when you understand how. This is, this is day 3 of 40 days, for example, right? It doesn't mean you have to build 40 days. You can start with 4 days and slowly build it out over time. But what you want to do is it should look something like this, a headline, a video, and then maybe the link will pop up later on to your affiliate product that you're selling, right? Now in this video, it only needs to be 5, 7, 8 to 9, 10 minutes long. And all you're doing is you're teaching them to solve one big problem in their particular niche. So if you're in the business space and you're teaching them how to build a business with affiliate products, I would literally pick one massive problem in that space and I would teach them how to do it on any particular day. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day, whatever it is, right? And you're showing them the wow, not the how. So in this video, for example, I'm teaching them about traffic and how you need to get a lot of traffic in order to get eyeballs and attention. So you're teaching them the theory behind how this works, right? And then I would show them literally where you can go to get traffic, like I'm going to show you right now, all right? But I'm not going to show them how to do it. I'm just going to show them where to go and what they can do and how it looks like and how they, how the mechanics of it works, for example, right? So I might say, you need a landing page in order to collect traffic like this, right? So you would come to this website, people would land on it, they would enter an email address. This would be linked to your autoresponder, and then I might give them a few resources for autoresponders like GetResponse, like Aweber, right? Like Kartra, there's so many that you can use, okay? And then you would then lead them into your sales funnel, all right? Now, some of the places that you can get traffic, for example, are, and then I might explain a little bit about how traffic works, okay? There's paid traffic, there's free traffic, blah, 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 blah. So you're showing them the wow, not the how. Now, what this does is it builds trust. It gets people to agree with you, gets people to understand the process so they feel like they're learning, but they're like, okay, now I'm, ready to really learn how to do this, right? And then they buy the product that you're selling. And this is where you drop the link to whatever you're selling like this below every single day inside your value funnel. Okay, now we need to fill this funnel though with as many people as possible. All right, so the way that we do it with the Digistore product is there's many ways to do it, but I'm going to show you one of my main strategies that I use, and I like to use Instagram. Okay, Instagram is very powerful. It's very, very popular right now, very current. Okay, so with this particular channel, I don't have that many followers. I started this channel a few months ago, so it's a pretty new channel, right? I don't even have 100K followers, just 75,000, not bad, not huge, not small, somewhere in the middle. Okay, but I don't care about the followers. All I care about is posting as many videos and carousels and content every day as I can so that I can get the maximum amount of views and get leads into the funnel. That's it. That's all I care about, right? If I'm posting 1 reel a week, I'm going to get very little results, right? But if I'm posting 1 a day, I'm going to get more results. If I'm posting 3 a day, I'm getting even more results. If I'm posting 6 a day, I'm going to get insane results. Does that make sense? So the more that you do, the higher the chances of you getting better at what you're doing. Okay, just like this one. Look at this, 200 and so you can't see it, 279,000 views, and this reel is still going. This one will probably hit 500,000. I'm thinking, right? Look at that, almost 10,000 comments, and there's automation in the background here that I use with ManyChat, and that sends them the link directly, and that's how I generate leads. They come into my funnel right here, so I don't have to do it. You know, I don't have to message people directly. It's all automated. They come through this. I generate a lead. They go through the sales funnel, and everything is on autopilot, and then they buy. Okay, this is how you generate your first $10,000 with Digistore24, right? So Digistore24 is one of many, many networks. It's just an example. It's a cool network, but the magic really happens in the background. How you set up, where you're getting attention, you know, how are you bringing them through? Are you adding value? Are you just trying to sell to them? Are you buying stupid solo ads from silly solo ad vendors? Don't do that, okay? Make sure you use good, high quality content of your own so people know who you are. They understand where you're coming from. You build value right from the start, and then you send them through a funnel that brings them even more value. You show them the wow, not the how, and then when they're ready to buy, they buy and you make a commission. All right, now not everybody's gonna buy, but trust me, when you do it this way, you're gonna make way more sales than if you just send someone straight to a sales page. I think that's a complete waste of time. You don't ever wanna do that, okay? So that is the strategy. This is how you get to your first $10,000. Let me know what you thought in the comment section. If you got some value from this today, give me some thumbs ups. And if you're like, Aaron, this sounds awesome, do you have the step-by-step over the shoulder? How do I actually do this? Well, I've got a free masterclass. If you want to learn the strategy, like I mentioned right at the beginning, you can always just go straight to the comment section and access that for free. See you there, and I'll see you in the next one soon.